Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, we have part 2 of amazing Black Friday deals. We're going to go to several different retailers. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out. I'll try to remember to link it down below, as well as linking down below to all the other deals we're going to talk about. Now, first, we're doing an eBay promo code deal. This goes through the 27th, so even if you're watching this after Black Friday, it should still be good, at least for a couple of days. Also, some of these are listed as Black Friday deals, but who the hell knows what they're going to do tomorrow. They could go the whole weekend. It could be turn into a Cyber Monday deal and be the exact same price. So even if you're watching this afterwards, if you find something you like, it's worth checking out the page. So right now, eBay has an additional 20% off. That's the promo code Holiday Saves 20, which is right there. So here's the link to the entire sale and then a couple of different sections. Now, it's a bunch of your favorite tool brands. All these major brands are included in this sale. So just looking at the tools and workshop portion, we have 935 results, and you can see these are all the brands you know and love. So it's definitely worth checking out, and I really want to call your attention to this deal here because it's the 5-tool M12 combo kit, and yes, they're all brushed motor tools with brushes. I never know how to say that correctly. Now, Home Depot also has it on sale, but this is even better than their deal, and it's going to get free shipping, and you're getting it from an authorized seller. So if we look over on the page here, you can see it's $199, but then we're going to take the additional 20% off with that promo code. That's $40 off, so about $160 for this, and you're getting all 5 tools, 2 batteries to go with it, and we can sell off any of the pieces that we don't need, but it's factory authorized outlet, so it'll come with the full warranty and return policy, everything that you need in case you have a problem, but it's a new item. I can't imagine having those kind of problems, at least not right off the bat. But if we just do a quick scroll on this page, you'll see there is a lot of stuff. Oh, the other thing is some of this stuff, it says $8.95 shipping, and then when you actually go to the page, it's free shipping. So let me just open up this guy. And you can see on the page down here, free promotional shipping service. So don't let that additional $9 scare you away. Now, it's something that's $349. You're probably not too terribly worried about it because you're already spending a little grip there. But for cheaper stuff, check the page and make sure you're actually paying that, or are you getting it for free? The shipping, that is. Moving on, we have the Bosch 91-piece drill and driving mixed set, handy dandy case, lots of drill bits, drive bits, $29.99 as a Black Friday price. If we look at some of those comparables, Acme Tools $45.99 plus shipping, and Tool Up $45 plus shipping. Now check this one out. Amazing deal if you need the high torque impact wrench. It's the DeWalt brushless half-inch impact wrench, detent anvil. This is a tool only, but $169, and that is actually Amazon as the seller. It's not a third-party seller or anything. Home Depot $259, Lowe's $259. So almost $100 cheaper. Brushless, high torque. It'll bust all the nuts. Sonic's metric stubby combination wrench set in the handy dandy roll-up pouch. This is a 9-piece set. Now this is the metric. It was a little bit cheaper, but they also have the SAE on sale. 2,300 reviews, 5 out of 5 championship belts. It's going to be $24.68. So $2.40 a wrench. The stubbies get you into those tight spots where the longy just doesn't reach or fit. Now, Home Depot is price matching there. Same price. That's what price matching means. Acme Tools is $34.99 plus shipping, and JB Tools $56.99 plus shipping. And then here's the link to the SAE version if you wanted that one or are interested in both. Nice little deal on specialty wrenches. Craftsman chop saw 15-inch, 15 amp, 14-inch. Don't get ahead of yourself, sucker. Learn to read. 118. Hey, at least I can read a clock, unlike these Gen Zers. I don't know what the hands mean. I can't read that. Alright, I heard over the weekend, well, I can read a clock, but if it doesn't have the numbers, I can't. Oh my god. And don't even get me started on cursive, okay? Look, we're not going to go on that tangent. Zorro, 169. Lowe's, 169. We're doomed. Next generation is idiots. Are idiots? Damn, wasn't good timing for that. Craftsman 118. Got another Craftsman deal. Tape measure, 25-foot retraction control and self-lock. You got a rubber grip. Love a rubber grip. $8.99 and Ace Hardware is $13.99. Remember, Lowe's, for their Black Friday ad, had the 2-pack for like $9.98. And those were 25-foot tapes. Not the exact same tape, but Craftsman 25-footers. Of course, if you buy that online, you're going to have to add a shipping charge unless you plan to go to Lowe's. Then obviously you can pick it up. But here, $8.99. It has a lot of reviews. I'm actually kind of shocked by the number of reviews on this thing. 13,000. Who thought Craftsman was selling that much of this tape measure? Over at Northern Tool, we have the Milwaukee Universal Fit Open Lock 6-piece oscillating multi-tool general purpose blade kit. It is $24.97 and ships free. Gets the handy dandy case. Now that's price matching with Tool Nut, or both at promotional prices anyway. Tool Nut, you'll have to add shipping to that. Same thing with Acme Tools. And then Home Depot, $51.38, coming in the high bar. $24.97, free shipping. Now, Northern Tool does have some promo codes available. I updated the 100 best tool deals currently at Northern Tool because I thought it was a good day to get a couple of these pages updated. Now, we do have promo codes, 20 off 100. That's supposed to go through the end of the year. Another 20 off 100 going into January next year. And then 10 off of 50. As far as I know, the few things that I tried, the promo code did work on sale items. But you'll just have to check it out if you need it now. Here is the official Black Friday deals from Northern Tool if you need that link. And then we just have the big list of various items that are on sale. And a lot of these, especially if it's free shipping, it might just be a nice little bonus to throw in if you're going to pick something else up, or if you're trying to get yourself to one of those thresholds to get your discount. But there's 100 items on this page. We're not going to do the whole thing. You can take a look for yourself later. Gear wrench, 20-piece ratcheting combination wrench set. This is SAE and metric. A little different than the set we looked at before, which was reversible. These are not reversible, but they are also cheaper per piece overall. $52.87 currently on Amazon as a Black Friday price. Acme Tools sells the same set for $100 plus shipping. Home Depot $79.97 free shipping. Northern Tool $114.99. Don't know about the shipping because they don't have a flat rate thing. They're goofy. You got to actually open it up. But $50 for 20 pieces. Now here we have the top 100 for Ace Hardware. Again, we have the link right here for their Black Friday deals if you want to look up those specifically. And then just the most discounted things currently at Ace Hardware. You got the 2-pack of the Craftsman bags for $10. Lots of Craftsman stuff actually. $9.99 on the stapler. You got the Stanley's 2-pack for $5.99. Now here for $19.99 you have the 2-pack of the Milwaukee 25-foot magnetic tape measures. Those are kind of nice. So oscillating blades, all sorts of stuff. Lots of actually pretty decent deals. $14.99 on either of these sets. You can get the metric or SAE, but getting the ratchet, throwing in a couple of sockets, if they're the same set as they should be that I believe remembering from before, they come in cases. I think they changed them. It used to be a black case for the SAE and a gray for the metric. I think they might have changed everything to red. I feel like they've done that a lot. Here's a 1/4-inch version, $19.99. And here is the Acme Tools version of that same page. We have the Acme Tools Black Friday deals here and the list of discounted items. Remember, they have free shipping once you reach $199. You can use promo code TCC10 to save $10 on orders, I believe, over $79. Next up, the DeWalt T-Stack Toolbox. It's deep, nice and deep. $23.99. Home Depot's $30.28. Acme Tools $37, and CPO only $38. $23.99 at Amazon. Free shipping. Another Craftsman deal. Ratcheting screwdriver set, 26-piece zip-up case. Only $14.99. Ace Hardware $26.99, Lowe's $21.98. Here we have a Craftsman socket set, 299 piece, includes deep sockets, shallow sockets, hex bits, Torx bits, slotted Phillips bits, all those chrome sockets. Look, you even got the longies. Gotta love those. You can reach into a tunnel. On sale for $199. Lowe's is $2.99. Ace Hardware $319.99. But this is like a very well-rounded, complete set. Not really for the person who's just trying to replace their 10 millimeter. Oh, which reminds me, I saw an amazing meme of a guy who bought a set like this for his kid, and he took out the 10 millimeters and told him he was teaching him a very important life lesson. So if you do buy one of these for someone, it would be funny to remove the 10 millimeters. Black & Decker 12-volt cordless drill. Comes as a whole kit. It's only $27. Home Depot's $41.57 and Lowe's is $40. So about half price on Amazon. Now the Home Depot special buy of the day had a few good deals. Not a ton, but a few. I posted the one as a community post on the YouTube channel. If you check that out, that was a really good deal. But there's a lot of Milwaukee and DeWalt stuff worth checking out. Like getting the oscillating tool with the drill kit for $119. The oscillating tool right now is selling for $99 by itself. So an extra $20 and you're getting this whole kit to go with it. $219, you're getting 3 total tools there, 20 volts. The whole box with a lot of tools that says 7. I'll take their word for it. 7 and 3 batteries for $479. You know, there's some decent stuff. It's worth checking out. Again, that's only good for today. Today is the 24th. We got an LED work light. Now, we just saw this somewhat recently, but I saw a new promo code for it, so I thought, well, let's go ahead and re-up this thing. It's kind of a neat item. It works on DeWalt batteries. It's a deformable light like we've seen in the past many times, but instead of being screwed into a light socket, it actually has a wiring and a slide-on holder battery deal. You put the battery on it, okay? The DeWalt battery goes on the thing. It's 45% off. The Black Friday deal price is $26.39. Then we have a 40% promo code and a 5% coupon. So I thought it was kind of a neat spin on 2 different items that we've seen recently. Now here's another Home Depot deal I kind of like. The Milwaukee M12 cordless 1/4-inch hex screwdriver kit with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. It's going to be shipped for free and it's only $59. Acme Tools has it for $99 and Tool Barn also $99. Well, $100. We'll round up. So there it is for the second round of Black Friday deals. We'll see what happens. We'll definitely get something out on Monday for Cyber Monday. I don't know what we'll do over the weekend. I kind of want to take a break. But we'll see. If it's too good to pass up, then we got to do it. And you'll hear from me again. By the way, what's the score? Oh, it's going to commercial. I can't see. I need Tua to throw 2 touchdown passes, okay? $60 is on the line. I need 1 more touchdown pass. I got the parlay. So, fingers crossed. If he throws 2 or more, then you'll know I got a smile on my face. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.